For today's flower piping tutorial, we are making primrose flowers. These easy buttercream flowers look great on floral cakes and cupcakes. To begin, use a small amount of buttercream to attach a square of parchment to your flower nail. These can also be piped directly onto cakes or cupcakes. Using number 103 tip with the wide end near the center and the narrow end facing out, you're going to want to apply pressure, pull out, dip down, pull back out, and then pull back to your starting point, lifting up slightly before sharply pulling away. This is going to form a heart-shaped petal. As you can see now, we have room to pipe our next petal slightly underneath the first, and that's going to ensure that we have good overlap for a nice full-looking primrose flower. So we're going to continue piping our petals in the same manner. So you're going to want to tuck it underneath the previous petal, apply pressure, pull up, dip down, pull back up, then pull back to your starting point, lifting up slightly. For the final petal, we're going to want to tuck our tip as deep underneath that previous petal as we can. And again, we're going to pull up, pull down, pull back up, and ensure that we overlap that first petal as we pull away. Now I'm going to use a number 2 small round tip to add some dots to the middle to finish off the center, and you could use any small round tip for this. As always, all of these instructions, along with the buttercream recipe and the coloring information, can be found down in the description box below, so make sure to check that out as well. And that is how you pipe buttercream primrose flower. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and I'm going to link some more flower piping tutorials here for you as well. As always, thanks so much for watching.